In the next module, we're going to cover the 3 key skills that you need to land a job in construction scheduling. If you've ever tried to do anything before, sometimes it can be absolutely information overload as you try to understand what you need to know to get you from point A to point B. We've really tried to simplify that. The 3 skills are understanding the construction industry, understanding some basic principles of scheduling, and then understanding construction scheduling software. Now, you don't need to be a master level or have some crazy PhD in any of these subjects to get hired. I've seen people get hired who don't even have experience in these, but what these skills will do will help elevate you up. Now, before we jump into those 3 skills, I want to cover something fairly quick. But let's take a little bit of a step back and talk about why we want to add these skills. The reason is the more relevant skills you have in your tool belt on your resume, the higher the chance you are to land that job. And if you want to take that a step further, it's not even land a job, it's the type of job that you can land. Think about it. You're going to go to apply to a construction job and someone's applying next to you. They have a relevant certification, they can speak about the construction industry, and they can almost talk as if they've done it before. Now here you are, you have no certification and you have no idea what the construction industry is. Who's going to ace that interview? That's why we want to add these skills. So over the course of these next 3 sections, you're going to need to do a little bit of self-study and try and work through and pick up these skills. And where you really want to get to is just to have a good conversational level with them. It's going to really make you shine in the interview. So let's dive in the next lesson.